our procedure text and the title How to Use Vacuum Cleaner. Before that, let me introduce my name, Lani Papikiani, as shopkeeper.
My name Eksa as customer.
So, keep on reaching. One afternoon, Exa was moving all her things to use interior rooms. Then she remembered she had to buy a vacuum cleaner. After finishing all her belongings, Exa go to the nearest electronics store. Having arrived there, she meets the shopkeeper, Madame Latifa, and she tries to approach them.
Hello.
Hello, good morning. Can I help you?
I want to buy vacuum cleaner. Can you give direction? What's the vacuum cleaner? What's located?
Okay, you go straight and turn right. Follow her with the umbrella. Then take it.
Okay, thank you.
Well, these are some of the vacuum cleaners that we have.
In your opinion, what should I buy?
In my opinion, this news is very good because the quality is good and the price is cheap.
In what did advantage the new vacuum cleaner?
This vacuum cleaner has good features and cheaper price compared with the old version.
I'm confused. I like both, but I want to buy vacuum cleaner as good as my mother has.
If I were you, I would take the newest one because the quality is better and the price is affordable.
Okay, I choose this vacuum cleaner because this vacuum cleaner is better than other. Can you tell me what the star is vacuum cleaner?
Of course, first insert the vacuum cleaner part, then press the button to turn it on and over it the area to be clean.
Wow, that's so easy. I will buy it.
Okay, I will you can use and please be attentive. This is your vacuum cleaner. I hope this vacuum cleaner is useful for you.
Thank you for your help.
Guys,
Thank you.
for watching.